Most financial transactions are posted to the general ledger through dedicated business documents such as purchase invoices and sales orders. For business activities that are not represented by document in Wiise, such as small expenses or cash receipts, you can create the related transactions by posting journal lines in the General Journal window. In this video, you will see the additional features within the General Journal to process these transactions faster and more efficiently. This includes balancing account suggestions, standard journals, and document renumbering. You can find the general journals in the Finance tab in your navigation bar in the Business Manager Role Center, or by using the search function. If you select the Suggest Balancing Amount checkbox on the line for your batch in the General Journal Batches window, then the amount field on, for example, General Journal lines for the same document number is automatically pre-filled with the value that is required to balance the document. Wiise can help you complete tasks quicker and more accurately by pre-filling fields or complete lines with data that you would otherwise have to calculate and enter yourself. Although automatic data entry is always correct, you can change it afterwards if you want to. Functionality that enters fields values for you is typically offered for tasks where you enter large volumes of transactional data and want to avoid errors and save time. This topic contains a selection of such functionality. When you have created journal lines which you are likely to create again later, you can save them as standard journal before you post the journal. This functionality applies to item journals and general journals. Enter one or more journal lines. Select the journal lines that you want to reuse. Choose the Save as Standard journal action. In the Save as Standard item journal request window, define a new or existing standard item journal for the lines to be saved in. If you have already created one or more standard item journals and want to replace one of these with a new set of item journal lines, in the code field, select the code you want. Choose the OK button to verify that you want to overwrite the existing standard item journal and replace all its content. Select the Save Unit Amount field if you want to save the values in the unit amount field of the standard item journal. Select the Save Quantity field if you want the program to save the values in the quantity field. Choose the OK button to save the standard item journal. When you have finished saving the standard item journal, the item journal window is displayed so you can proceed with posting, knowing that it can be easily recreated next time you need to post the same or similar lines. To reuse the standard journal, choose the Get Standard Journals action. The standard item journals window opens showing codes and descriptions for all existing standard item journals. Any changes you make in a standard item journal are implemented right away. They will be there next time you open or reuse the standard item journal in question. You should therefore be sure that the change is important enough to apply generally. Otherwise, make the specific change in the item journal after the standard item journal lines have been inserted. To make sure you do not receive posting errors due to document number order, you can use a renumber document numbers function before you post the journal. In all journals that are based on the general journal, the document number field is editable, so that you can specify different document numbers for different journal lines or the same document number for related journal lines.